So you need an IPTV player for your Android TV or Fire Stick. Two names keep popping up, Tivimate and OTT Navigator. Both are solid, but which one's actually better for you? Let's break it down. Both are IPTV players that don't come with content. You need your own IPTV subscription and M3U playlist to use them. Tivimate is the slick, minimalist option with a clean interface. OTT Navigator is the customization powerhouse with tons of settings. Tivimate offers elegance and OTT Navigator offers control. Think of it like this. Tivimate is an iPhone and OTT Navigator is an Android you can tweak forever. Tivimate's interface is so clean it's easy for everyone to use. Smooth channel flipping, simple menus, zero clutter. Users say it's ideal for those who want to watch IPTV without dealing with complicated settings. OTT Navigator's interface is like walking into an IKEA warehouse, endless possibilities, but you need elbow grease. It offers more flexibility in filtering and customization, but it's slightly slower. If you hate tinkering, Tivimate wins. If you love control, OTT Navigator. Both handle EPG well. Tivimate looks best visually, and OTT Navigator is strongest for merging multiple EPG sources and filtering complex libraries. Tivimate offers 2 streams max for multi-view, and OTT Navigator lets you split your screen into 4 streams. OTT Navigator scales better for heavy playlists with advanced filters. OTT Navigator starts up in under 5 seconds and plays without interruptions. While both are fast, OTT Navigator handles bigger channels lists better. Tivimate Premium costs about $10 per year or $34 for lifetime. OTT Navigator offers a one-time payment for premium while Tivimate uses subscriptions. Both are pretty cheap compared to cable. Tivimate is slightly more expensive long-term but frequently updated. OTT Navigator's one-time fee is appealing if you hate subscriptions. So, which one? Pick Tivimate if you want effortless, polished navigation that anyone can use within minutes. Pick OTT Navigator if you're a power user juggling multiple playlists and want deep filters and custom views. If you prioritize simplicity, Tivimate is better. If you value customization and advanced functions, OTT Navigator suits you. Both are excellent. Your choice just depends on whether you want plug and play or total control. That's Tivimate versus OTT Navigator. Pick your style and let me know which one you choose in the comments section.